Welcome to World Revolution. The human brain is a remarkable instrument, but its capabilities are not fixed. We can expand our intelligence, memory, and creativity through the power of pattern recognition. 7 powerful lessons from how to create a mind, the secret of human thought revealed by Ray Kurzweil. 1. Reverse engineering the brain. Kurzweil argues that understanding the human brain's structure and function is essential for creating intelligent machines. By reverse engineering the brain, we can replicate its processes in artificial systems, leading to advancements in AI. Kurzweil delves into the intricacies of the human brain and how understanding its structure and function can lead to the creation of artificial intelligence that mimics human thought processes. Here are some examples and what you might learn from them, explained in a narrative format. Example 1. The structure of the human brain. Scenario: Kurzweil explains the hierarchical system of pattern recognition in the brain. Narrative: Kurzweil describes the human brain as a hierarchical system of pattern recognition algorithms. He explains that the brain processes information in layers, with each layer recognizing increasingly complex patterns. For instance, the visual system first detects simple features like edges and colors, and then combines these features to recognize more complex objects like faces. By understanding this hierarchical structure, researchers can design artificial neural networks that replicate the brain's ability to process information in a similar manner. This example teaches us that reverse engineering the brain involves breaking down its complex processes into simpler, manageable components. Example 2. The law of accelerating returns. Scenario: Kurzweil discusses the exponential growth of technology and its impact on reverse engineering the brain. Narrative: Kurzweil introduces the concept of the law of accelerating returns, which predicts that technological advancements will continue to accelerate at an exponential rate. He argues that this trend will lead to significant breakthroughs in understanding and replicating the human brain. For example, advancements in computing power and machine learning algorithms will enable researchers to create more sophisticated models of the brain, ultimately leading to the development of artificial intelligence that can think and learn like a human. This example highlights the importance of technological progress in the field of reverse engineering the brain. Example 3. The role of neural networks. Scenario: Kurzweil explores the use of neural networks in replicating human thought processes. Narrative: Kurzweil discusses the role of neural networks in reverse engineering the brain. He explains that neural networks, which are inspired by the structure of the brain, can be used to model and simulate its functions. For instance, researchers can train neural networks to recognize patterns in data, similar to how the brain processes sensory information. By studying how neural networks learn and adapt, scientists can gain insights into the brain's learning mechanisms and develop more advanced artificial intelligence systems. This example teaches us that neural networks are a powerful tool for understanding and replicating the brain's capabilities. Example 4. The future of artificial intelligence. Scenario: Kurzweil envisions a future where artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence. Narrative: Kurzweil predicts that the continued advancement of artificial intelligence will eventually lead to the creation of machines that surpass human intelligence too. He envisions a future where AI systems can perform complex tasks, solve problems, and even exhibit creativity and emotional intelligence. By reverse engineering the brain, researchers can develop AI systems that not only replicate human thought processes but also enhance them, leading to unprecedented advancements in various fields such as healthcare, education, and communication. This example inspires us to consider the potential of artificial intelligence and the impact it could have on society. Learning about reverse engineering the brain from How to Create a Mind offers valuable insights into the potential of artificial intelligence and the importance of understanding the human brain. It teaches us that by studying the brain's structure and function, we can develop advanced AI systems that can think, learn, and adapt like humans. This knowledge opens up new possibilities for technological innovation and highlights the importance of interdisciplinary collaboration in the fields of neuroscience and computer science. 2. The role of patterns in thought. The book emphasizes that human thought is largely about recognizing and processing patterns. Kurzweil suggests that teaching machines to identify and learn from patterns can enhance their cognitive abilities, making them more human-like in their reasoning. Kurzweil delves into how our brains recognize, interpret, and utilize patterns to facilitate understanding, decision-making, and creativity. Here are some examples and what you might learn from them, explained in a narrative format. Example 1. Hierarchical pattern recognition. Scenario: Kurzweil explains how the brain uses hierarchical pattern recognition to process information. Narrative: Kurzweil describes the brain as a hierarchical system that processes information through layers of pattern recognition. For instance, when you look at a complex scene, your brain first detects basic elements like edges and colors. These basic patterns are then combined to recognize more complex structures such as objects and faces. At higher levels, your brain integrates these patterns to understand the scene's context and meaning. This hierarchical approach allows the brain to efficiently process vast amounts of information and make sense of the world. This example teaches us that recognizing and interpreting patterns is fundamental to how we perceive and understand our surroundings. Example 2. Pattern recognition in language. Scenario: Kurzweil discusses how pattern recognition underlies language comprehension. Narrative: language comprehension relies heavily on the brain's ability to recognize patterns. When you read a sentence, your brain identifies patterns in letters to form words, then combines words into phrases and sentences that convey meaning. For example, seeing the word cat involves recognizing the pattern of letters CAT, which your brain associates with the concept of a feline animal. Kurzweil highlights that this pattern recognition extends to understanding grammar, syntax, and context, enabling you to comprehend and produce language. This narrative illustrates that language processing is built on the brain's ability to recognize and integrate linguistic patterns. Example 3. Creativity as pattern synthesis. Scenario: Kurzweil explores how creativity emerges from synthesizing patterns. Narrative: creativity, according to Kurzweil, involves synthesizing existing patterns to generate new ideas. For example, a musician might create a new song by combining familiar patterns of rhythm, melody, and harmony in novel ways. Similarly, an inventor might develop a new device by recognizing patterns in existing technologies and imagining how they can be combined or improved. Kurzweil argues that the brain's capacity for pattern recognition and synthesis is at the core of creative thinking. This example shows that creativity is not just about coming up with random ideas but about seeing connections between patterns and transforming them into innovative solutions. Example 4. The role of patterns in learning. Scenario: Kurzweil discusses how learning involves recognizing and internalizing patterns. Narrative: learning new skills or knowledge involves recognizing and internalizing patterns. For instance, when learning to play a musical instrument, you begin by identifying patterns in notes and rhythms. As you practice, these patterns become more familiar, and your brain creates neural connections that make playing more automatic and fluid. Kurzweil explains that this process of pattern recognition and reinforcement is essential for learning and mastering new abilities. This narrative emphasizes that learning is a continuous process of recognizing, practicing, and internalizing patterns. Example 5. Patterns in problem solving. Scenario: Kurzweil examines how pattern recognition aids in problem solving. Narrative: effective problem solving often involves recognizing patterns in data and experiences. For example, a doctor diagnosing a patient looks for patterns in symptoms and medical history to identify the underlying condition. Similarly, a mathematician solving a complex equation searches for patterns in numbers and operations to find a solution. Kurzweil argues that the brain's ability to detect and apply patterns is crucial for analyzing situations, making decisions, and solving problems. This example teaches us that pattern recognition is a key cognitive tool for addressing challenges and finding solutions. Learning about the role of patterns in thought from How to Create a Mind offers valuable insights into how our brains process information and generate understanding. It teaches us that patterns are fundamental to perception, language, creativity, learning, and problem solving. By recognizing the importance of patterns, We can enhance our cognitive abilities and apply this knowledge to various fields such as education, artificial intelligence, and innovation. Embracing this principle encourages us to pay attention to patterns in our environment, develop our pattern recognition skills, and use them to enhance our thinking and decision-making processes. It reminds us that understanding patterns is key to unlocking the potential of our minds. 3. Neural networks as a model for AI. Kurzweil discusses the significance of neural networks in AI development. He explains how these networks mimic the brain's interconnected neurons, allowing machines to learn from data in a way that resembles human learning. Kurzweil delves into how artificial neural networks, inspired by the human brain, can be used to create advanced artificial intelligence systems. Here are some examples and what you might learn from them, explained in a narrative format. Example 1. The structure of neural networks. Scenario: Kurzweil explains how artificial neural networks are designed based on the structure of the human brain. Narrative: Kurzweil describes artificial neural networks as computational models inspired by the architecture of the human brain. These networks consist of interconnected nodes, or neurons, arranged in layers. Each neuron processes input data and passes the result to the next layer, much like how neurons in the brain communicate through synapses. For example, in a neural network designed for image recognition, the input layer might receive pixel data from an image, the hidden layers process this data to identify patterns, and the output layer provides the final classification. This example teaches us that neural networks mimic the brain's hierarchical processing to solve complex tasks. Example 2. Learning and training neural networks. Scenario: Kurzweil discusses the process of training neural networks to perform specific tasks. Narrative: Training a neural network involves feeding it large amounts of data and adjusting the connections between neurons based on the errors in its predictions. For instance, when training a neural network to recognize handwritten digits, the network is provided with thousands of labeled images of digits. Through a process called backpropagation, the network adjusts its weights and biases to minimize the difference between its predictions and the actual labels. Over time, the network learns to accurately recognize digits. Kurzweil explains that this training process is analogous to how the human brain learns from experience, highlighting the adaptive nature of neural networks. Example 3. Applications of neural networks in AI. Scenario: Kurzweil explores various applications of neural networks in artificial intelligence. Narrative: Neural networks have numerous applications in AI, from natural language processing to autonomous driving. For example, in natural language processing, neural networks can be used to translate text from one language to another, understand and generate human language, and even summarize documents. In autonomous driving, neural networks process sensor data from cameras, LiDAR, and radar to make real-time driving decisions. Kurzweil emphasizes that the versatility of neural networks allows them to excel in diverse domains, making them a powerful tool for creating intelligent systems. Example 4. The evolution of neural networks. Scenario: Kurzweil discusses the advancements in neural network architectures and techniques. Narrative: Kurzweil traces the evolution of neural network architectures, from simple perceptrons to more complex models like convolutional neural networks, CNNs, and recurrent neural networks, RNNs. For instance, CNNs are particularly effective in image recognition tasks due to their ability to automatically detect hierarchical patterns in visual data. RNNs, on the other hand, are well suited for sequential data like time series and text, as they can maintain context through their memory cells. Kurzweil highlights that these advancements have significantly improved the performance of neural networks, enabling them to tackle increasingly complex tasks. Example 5. The future of neural networks and AI. Scenario: Kurzweil envisions the future of AI driven by neural network advancements. Narrative: Kurzweil predicts that the ongoing advancements in neural networks will lead to the development of highly intelligent AI systems that can perform tasks currently beyond human capabilities. He envisions a future where AI systems can think, learn, and adapt in ways similar to the human brain, leading to breakthroughs in fields like medicine, education, and scientific research. For example, AI could help discover new drugs by analyzing vast amounts of biomedical data or personalize education by adapting to each student's learning style. This example inspires us to consider the potential of neural networks in shaping the future of technology and society. Learning about neural networks as a model for AI from How to Create a Mind offers valuable insights into the design and function of artificial intelligence systems. It teaches us that neural networks, inspired by the human brain, are capable of learning from data, adapting to new information, and excelling in various complex tasks. This knowledge underscores the importance of neural networks in advancing AI and highlights their potential to transform multiple industries. Embracing this principle encourages us to explore the capabilities of neural networks, understand their underlying mechanisms, and consider their applications in solving real-world problems. It reminds us that the future of AI is closely tied to our ability to harness the power of neural networks and continue pushing the boundaries of technological innovation. 4. The importance of emotions in decision-making. Kurzweil highlights that emotions play a crucial role in human decision-making. For AI to be truly intelligent, it must also understand and incorporate emotional context, which can lead to more nuanced and effective interactions with humans. Kurzweil delves into the interplay between rational thought and emotional responses. Here are some examples and what you might learn from them, explained in a narrative format. Example 1. The role of emotions in risk assessment. Scenario: Kurzweil explains how emotions influence our perception of risk and decision-making. Narrative: imagine you are considering a new job offer that involves relocating to a different city. While the logical part of your brain weighs the pros and cons, your emotions play a crucial role in assessing the risks and benefits. You might feel excitement about new opportunities but also anxiety about leaving familiar surroundings. Kurzweil explains that these emotional responses are essential for making well-rounded decisions, as they provide insights into your personal values and fears. This example teaches us that emotions help us gauge the potential impact of our choices on our well-being and guide us toward decisions that align with our emotional needs. Example 2. The impact of emotional intelligence. Scenario: Kurzweil discusses how emotional intelligence enhances decision-making. Narrative: emotional intelligence, EQ, involves recognizing, understanding, and managing emotions in ourselves and others. For instance, a manager with high EQ can navigate workplace conflicts by empathizing with employees' feelings and addressing their concerns effectively. Kurzweil highlights that emotional intelligence enables individuals to make more informed and compassionate decisions, leading to better outcomes in both personal and professional settings. This narrative illustrates that developing emotional intelligence is crucial for making decisions that consider the emotional dynamics of situations and foster positive relationships. Example 3. Emotions and moral judgments. Scenario: Kurzweil explores how emotions shape our moral and ethical decisions. Narrative: when faced with a moral dilemma, such as deciding whether to report a colleague's unethical behavior, your emotions play a significant role in guiding your judgment. Feelings of guilt, empathy, and fairness influence your decision to act in accordance with your moral values. Kurzweil explains that emotions provide a moral compass that helps us navigate complex ethical situations. This example teaches us that emotions are integral to our sense of right and wrong, shaping our moral decisions and actions. Example 4. The balance between emotion and rationality. Scenario: Kurzweil discusses the need to balance emotional and rational inputs in decision-making. Narrative: consider a scenario where you are deciding whether to invest in a new business venture. Rational analysis might focus on market trends, financial projections, and potential returns, while emotions might involve excitement about innovation and fear of financial loss. Kurzweil emphasizes that effective decision-making requires balancing these emotional and rational inputs. Emotions provide valuable insights into personal motivations and potential risks, while rational analysis ensures that decisions are grounded in objective data. This narrative highlights the importance of integrating both emotional and rational perspectives for well-rounded and informed decision-making. Example 5. Learning from emotional experiences. Scenario: Kurzweil explains how past emotional experiences shape future decision-making. Narrative: our past emotional experiences influence how we approach future decisions. For example, if you previously experienced success in a particular field, the positive emotions associated with that success can boost your confidence in pursuing similar opportunities. Conversely, past failures might evoke caution and prompt you to consider potential pitfalls more carefully. Kurzweil argues that learning from emotional experiences allows us to make better decisions by drawing on the emotional context of past events. This example teaches us that emotions serve as a repository of experiential knowledge that informs our future choices. Learning about the importance of emotions in decision-making from How to Create a Mind offers valuable insights into how emotions shape our choices and judgments. It teaches us that emotions are not just irrational impulses but essential components of our decision-making process. Emotions provide important information about our values, motivations, and potential risks, helping us make decisions that are aligned with our personal and ethical principles. Embracing this principle encourages us to develop emotional intelligence, recognize the value of our emotional experiences, and strive for a balance between emotional and rational inputs in our decision-making. It reminds us that true wisdom involves understanding and integrating the full spectrum of human experience in our choices. 5. The future of human-machine collaboration. The book envisions a future where humans and machines work together seamlessly. Kurzweil argues that enhancing human capabilities with AI can lead to unprecedented levels of productivity and creativity, transforming various fields. Kurzweil envisions a future where humans and machines work together to enhance capabilities and achieve unprecedented progress. Here are some examples and what you might learn from them, explained in a narrative format. Example 1. Enhancing cognitive abilities. Scenario: Kurzweil discusses how intelligent machines can augment human cognitive abilities. Narrative: imagine a scenario where a doctor uses an AI-powered diagnostic tool to analyze patient data and identify potential health issues. The AI processes vast amounts of medical information, identifying patterns and correlations that might be missed by a human doctor alone. By collaborating with the AI, the doctor can make more accurate diagnoses and develop personalized treatment plans. Kurzweil explains that such human-machine collaboration can enhance cognitive abilities, allowing professionals to leverage AI's analytical power to make better decisions. This example teaches us that intelligent machines can amplify human expertise and improve outcomes in various fields. Example 2. Creative collaboration. Scenario: Kurzweil explores the potential for creative collaboration between humans and machines. Narrative: in the realm of art and design, AI systems can assist artists in generating new ideas and overcoming creative blocks. For instance, a graphic designer might use an AI tool to create unique patterns and visual elements, which they can then refine and integrate into their work. This collaboration allows the designer to explore new artistic possibilities and push the boundaries of creativity. Kurzweil emphasizes that AI can serve as a creative partner, enhancing human creativity by providing inspiration and expanding the range of creative expression. This narrative illustrates that human-machine collaboration can lead to innovative and groundbreaking artistic achievements. Example 3. Advancing scientific research. Scenario: Kurzweil discusses how AI can accelerate scientific discovery through collaboration. Narrative: in scientific research, AI can assist scientists in analyzing complex data sets, simulating experiments, and generating hypotheses. For example, researchers studying climate change can use AI models to predict environmental changes and assess the impact of various interventions. By collaborating with AI, scientists can process data more efficiently and gain deeper insights into complex phenomena. Kurzweil highlights that human-machine collaboration can accelerate scientific discovery, leading to breakthroughs that address pressing global challenges. This example teaches us that AI can enhance the research process and drive innovation in science and technology. Example 4. Personalized learning and education. Scenario: Kurzweil envisions AI-powered personalized learning experiences for students. Narrative. In education, AI systems can provide personalized learning experiences tailored to each student's needs and learning style. For instance, an AI-powered tutor can adapt lessons based on a student's progress, offering additional practice on challenging topics and advanced material for areas of strength. This personalized approach helps students learn more effectively and at their own pace. Kurzweil explains that human-machine collaboration in education can transform the learning experience, making it more engaging and impactful. This narrative illustrates that AI can enhance educational outcomes by providing customized support and guidance. Example 5. Human-machine synergy in the workplace. Scenario. Kurzweil explores how AI can improve workplace efficiency and collaboration. Narrative. In the workplace, AI systems can automate routine tasks, freeing up employees to focus on higher-level, strategic work. For example, an AI assistant can handle scheduling, data entry, and other administrative tasks, allowing employees to concentrate on problem-solving and innovation. By collaborating with AI, teams can achieve greater efficiency and productivity. Kurzweil emphasizes that human-machine collaboration can create a more dynamic and efficient work environment, where employees can leverage AI to enhance their contributions. This example teaches us that integrating AI into the workplace can lead to improved job satisfaction and overall performance. Learning about the future of human-machine collaboration from How to Create a Mind offers valuable insights into the potential for advanced synergies between humans and intelligent machines. It teaches us that by working together with AI, we can enhance our cognitive abilities, creativity, scientific research, education, and workplace efficiency. This knowledge underscores the importance of embracing AI as a collaborative partner rather than a competitor. Embracing this principle encourages us to explore the possibilities of human-machine collaboration, recognize the strengths of both humans and AI, and leverage these strengths to achieve common goals. It reminds us that the future of technology lies in the harmonious integration of human intelligence and artificial intelligence, leading to greater innovation and progress. 6. Ethical considerations in AI development. Kurzweil addresses the ethical implications of creating intelligent machines. He stresses the importance of ensuring that AI systems are designed with ethical guidelines to prevent misuse and to promote beneficial outcomes for society. Kurzweil delves into various ethical dilemmas and the responsibilities of developers, researchers, and society. Here are some examples and what you might learn from them, explained in a narrative format. Example 1. Ensuring privacy and data security. Scenario. Kurzweil emphasizes the need for robust privacy and data security measures in AI systems. Narrative. As AI systems become more integrated into our daily lives, they collect and process vast amounts of personal data. Kurzweil highlights the ethical responsibility of AI developers to ensure that this data is securely stored and protected from unauthorized access. For instance, a healthcare AI that analyzes patient records must implement stringent data encryption and privacy protocols to safeguard sensitive information. This example teaches us the importance of prioritizing privacy and data security in AI development to protect individuals' rights and prevent misuse of personal information. Example 2. Addressing bias and fairness. Scenario. Kurzweil discusses the ethical implications of bias in AI algorithms. Narrative. AI systems can inadvertently perpetuate and amplify biases present in the data they are trained on. Kurzweil provides an example of a hiring algorithm that, if trained on biased historical data, might favor certain demographics over others. To address this ethical challenge, developers must actively identify and mitigate biases in their data and algorithms. This might involve using diverse and representative datasets, conducting bias audits, and implementing fairness metrics. This narrative underscores the need for ethical vigilance in ensuring that AI systems are fair and equitable, promoting justice and inclusivity. Example 3. Transparency and explainability. Scenario. Kurzweil explores the importance of transparency and explainability in AI systems. Narrative. For AI systems to be trusted and ethically deployed, they must be transparent and explainable. Kurzweil explains that users should understand how AI systems make decisions and the rationale behind their outputs. For instance, in the context of autonomous vehicles, it is crucial for developers to provide clear explanations of how the AI makes driving decisions, especially in critical situations. This transparency helps build trust and accountability. This example teaches us that ethical AI development requires clear communication and openness about how AI systems operate and make decisions. Example 4. Ensuring accountability and responsibility. Scenario: Kurzweil highlights the need for accountability in AI development and deployment. Narrative: as AI systems become more autonomous and influential, questions of accountability arise. Kurzweil discusses scenarios where AI systems might cause harm or make erroneous decisions, such as a medical diagnosis AI providing incorrect recommendations. Developers, organizations, and policymakers must establish clear guidelines for accountability, ensuring that there are mechanisms to address and rectify any negative consequences of AI actions. This narrative emphasizes that ethical AI development involves defining and upholding responsibilities to prevent harm and ensure the welfare of users. Example 5. Balancing innovation and ethical concerns. Scenario: Kurzweil addresses the tension between rapid innovation and ethical considerations. Narrative: in the pursuit of technological advancement, it is essential to balance innovation with ethical considerations. Kurzweil provides an example of AI research in genetics, where the potential for groundbreaking discoveries must be weighed against ethical concerns about genetic privacy and manipulation. He argues that while pushing the boundaries of AI capabilities is important, it must not come at the expense of ethical principles. This example teaches us that responsible AI development requires a thoughtful balance between embracing innovation and safeguarding ethical standards. Learning about ethical considerations in AI development from How to Create a Mind offers valuable insights into the complex and multifaceted challenges associated with advancing artificial intelligence. It teaches us that ethical considerations are essential for ensuring that AI systems are developed and deployed in ways that benefit society while minimizing potential harms. By addressing issues such as privacy, bias, transparency, accountability, and the balance between innovation and ethics, we can create AI technologies that are trustworthy, fair, and responsible. Embracing this principle encourages us to remain vigilant and proactive in identifying and addressing ethical challenges in AI development. It reminds us that the true measure of technological progress lies not only in the capabilities of AI but also in its alignment with ethical values and principles that prioritize the well-being of individuals and society as a whole. 7. The singularity and its implications. Kurzweil introduces the concept of the singularity, a point in the future when technological growth becomes uncontrollable and irreversible. He discusses the potential benefits and challenges of this event, urging readers to consider how it will reshape humanity. Kurzweil envisions a future where technological advancements, particularly in artificial intelligence, lead to a profound transformation of human society, a point he refers to as the singularity. Here are some examples and what you might learn from them, explained in a narrative format. Example 1. The concept of the singularity. Scenario: Kurzweil introduces the concept of the singularity. Narrative: Kurzweil defines the singularity as a future point where the pace of technological change becomes so rapid and its impact so profound that it fundamentally transforms human civilization. He predicts that advancements in AI, biotechnology, and nanotechnology will converge to create superintelligent systems that surpass human cognitive abilities. For instance, Kurzweil envisions AI systems that can enhance human intelligence, cure diseases at the genetic level, and create new forms of matter. This example teaches us that the singularity represents a radical shift in the human experience, driven by exponential technological growth. Example 2. Enhancing human intelligence. Scenario: Kurzweil explores how AI could enhance human cognitive abilities. Narrative: Kurzweil predicts that AI will be integrated with human brains to augment cognitive functions. Imagine a scenario where individuals have neural implants that enable instant access to vast amounts of information, enhance memory, and improve problem-solving abilities. For example, a surgeon performing a complex operation could instantly access the latest medical research and visual guides through an AI interface. This human-AI collaboration could lead to unprecedented levels of intelligence and expertise. Kurzweil's vision illustrates that the singularity could empower humans to achieve cognitive feats previously unimaginable. Example 3. Addressing global challenges. Scenario: Kurzweil discusses how advanced AI could help solve global issues. Narrative: Kurzweil envisions AI playing a critical role in addressing some of the world's most pressing challenges, such as climate change, poverty, and healthcare. For example, AI-powered systems could analyze vast datasets to develop sustainable energy solutions, optimize resource distribution to alleviate poverty, and create personalized medical treatments based on genetic profiles. By leveraging AI's capabilities, humanity could make significant strides toward creating a more equitable and sustainable world. This example teaches us that the singularity holds the potential to harness technology for the greater good, addressing complex global issues with innovative solutions. Example 4. Ethical and social implications. Scenario: Kurzweil examines the ethical and social implications of the singularity. Narrative: while the singularity promises transformative benefits, Kurzweil also acknowledges the ethical and social challenges it presents. For instance, the integration of AI with human intelligence raises concerns about privacy, autonomy, and the potential for inequality. Kurzweil emphasizes the need for robust ethical frameworks and governance to ensure that technological advancements are used responsibly and equitably. This narrative highlights that preparing for the singularity involves not only technological innovation but also careful consideration of its broader societal impact. Example 5. The future of human identity. Scenario: Kurzweil explores how the singularity might reshape human identity and existence. Narrative: Kurzweil predicts that the singularity will blur the lines between human and machine, leading to a redefinition of human identity. Imagine a future where individuals can upload their consciousness to digital platforms, achieving a form of digital immortality. This could lead to new forms of existence, where human experiences are no longer bound by physical limitations. Kurzweil suggests that such advancements could radically alter our understanding of life, consciousness, and what it means to be human. This example teaches us that the singularity could challenge fundamental concepts of identity and existence, prompting profound philosophical and ethical questions. Learning about the singularity and its implications from How to Create a Mind offers valuable insights into the potential future of human civilization shaped by exponential technological growth. It teaches us that the singularity represents a transformative era where AI and other technologies could significantly enhance human capabilities, address global challenges, and redefine our understanding of identity and existence. These lessons provide a thought-provoking exploration of the intersection between neuroscience and artificial intelligence, highlighting the potential for creating machines that can think and learn like humans. Thank you for listening. I hope this content is useful to you. If you like this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to support our team.